Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can add the programs to favorites in smartphone Home Connect application in Bosch Dishwasher SMV. So in the first step, tap on your dishwasher or select the Smart Cycle. Then select the program and the additional functions that you want to add to your washing cycle. You can also set the delay, and now if you want to add the programs to favorite, click on the heart icon, then you can add the name of it, like auto, and the color. If you extend the more options, you can show it on the home screen and create the shortcut to the favorite to your home screen. After that, just click on the OK, and that's it. We have a program in the favorites, and we have also it in the home screen. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.